Hey there, and welcome back to Do It on a Dime. I am so glad you are here. We are headed to Dollar Tree so I can share with you 10 all new ways to organize your closet on a budget. On this channel, I've shared everything from kitchens to bathrooms using all $1 products. I can't wait to share with you some of these tips. I bet some of them are brand new. And this video is sponsored by Skillshare, so without further ado, let's jump into it. And today I'm organizing a small space, this tiny wardrobe from IKEA. I'll link it below. And first up, we have these top wall lights. Now I've sung the praises of their push lights, but this is a brand new 5-star product. It illuminates so brightly. Add some fastener dots to the back that are Velcro. It makes changing the batteries out really easy. This is one of the only electronics I recommend from Dollar Tree. You will not be disappointed. Next are the hangers. These are very quality and highly rated, but they're a little bit cheaper at Walmart, except for one.
This is a brand new product, these Space Saver hangers. Nice.
I was so excited to find this product. It is brand new at Dollar Tree. You will not regret getting this for your closet. I also love these $1 velvet hangers for your scarves. This is a great deal and can be found at Dollar Tree. Uniform hangers really help to keep your space clean and organized. For next season, can be stored this way, and then you can just change out the hangers, but they're still easy to access so they're not in a box put away. And you have got to try these folding tricks. Use 2 hangers to hang up your dresses, and this way you have extra room at the bottom for more storage. Also, try this pant folding trick.
And you're gonna fold your jeans in half, and then you're gonna take it so the butt side is by the butt side of the hanger, move it down, and you're gonna stick it up through right to about there or so, and then up through again, and then take this part of the hanger, weave it through the back loop of the jean, and that's the most space-effective way to store your pants.
Uniform folds really make a difference. I have a whole video on this DIY Dollar Tree folding board, which I'll link below. I also want to talk with you about bookends. I saw this on TikTok and was so impressed. You can use bookends to keep your shirts folded, so you can access them from above, whether it's in drawers or in a cabinet. I also love these coated wire holders. These are perfect for your handbags, clutches, or even your t-shirts. And what's great about these is you can combine these in different ways, illuminate with some of the puck lights. Oh my goodness, it's like you're shopping in a boutique store. And I saw on Glue Guns and Roses channel, she was bending these around her house for more storage, which I think is a great idea, especially if you want to attach to a wall. Dollar Tree storage containers. I'm going to give you the 411 on these. They work absolutely great in your closets if you are not constantly pulling on them. If you pull the tab in the front, eventually they will break. So just keep that in mind that they're only good when accessed from above. The dollar section at Target, Five Below, Daiso are other dollar type stores to check out for some of these organizing products that you can amend to fit your space. But my personal favorite organizer is this brand new product this year. It kind of has a plastic lining on the inside, so it's nice and thick, easy to wipe down, and holds its shape. It's also great for shoes. This next hack is lots of fun. Take zip ties and Dollar Tree paper towel rolls. You can put as many of these as you want together, roll up your scarves or your t-shirts to store in them. The Dollar Tree wall mount hooks are incredible. I use them all over my closets for my jewelry and my house. Now, if you look at the reviews online, they're not great, but I'm gonna help you with that problem. I don't want you to miss these over-the-door hooks either, specifically the metal ones. I've used these in lots of videos, but you can actually break these down to create really quality custom organization. I just use the adhesive hooks and put this right on top. It's perfect for renters. The reason that the hooks sometimes get low reviews is because they're hard to remove. If you are a renter, the secret, y'all, is a blow dryer. It will come off and not ruin your wall. 5 out of 5 for me. And whenever I'm in store, I love thinking outside the box. These splatter screens from the kitchen section and a command hook are a great way to store all of your earrings. Just $1 and so elegant. I hope this video gave you lots of creative ideas for your small space in your closet. I love learning new ways to think outside the box, which is why I'm so grateful for today's sponsor, Skillshare, and all the support they've given the Do It on a Dime community. Skillshare is an online learning community for creatives with thousands of classes, all taught by experts, if you don't have a lot of time and are working with a small budget. They have courses ranging from how to grow your Etsy presence, get better with cinematography and videography, and even interior design classes. And what's even better, the first 1,000 people to click my link in the description get to try Skillshare Premium totally free. The membership is less than $10 a month once you get started. One of my favorite classes is Interior Design, Hollywood Chic on a Human Budget, taught by Mikkel Welch. I love how he takes millionaire design principles and breaks them down so you can try something similar on a budget. I love learning new things from talented people in an environment where I can work at my own pace. So be sure to check it out down below. Man, am I so glad you are here today. If nobody has told you, you are enough, be sure to click that subscribe button so I can catch you guys in the next one. I'll see you there. Bye. Good job, man. How old are you now?
7, and I'll stay in 3 months.
How old are you now?
4.5.
You guys are getting big. Some of the ladies watching us have been with us for a very long time, and they always say you guys look nice and big. Oh!